Hi friends, welcome to Nishila's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube very easily. By following this video, even a 5-year-old child can solve the cube in easy manner. First, let's try to understand the cube. This cube has two layers, top layer and bottom layer. See, this is the top layer and this is the bottom layer, and it has six colors. The color opposite to yellow is white, the color opposite to blue is green, and the color opposite to orange is red. These are the colors. To complete this top layer, there is a very small formula that you have to remember. And the formula is R, U, R dash, U dash. Are you wondering what this R, U, R dash and U dash is? If you move the right part of the cube to clockwise, it is R. See, it's R. And if you move the right side of the cube to anti-clockwise, it is R dash. See, R and R dash. Now, U. If you move top part of the cube in clockwise, it's U. Anti-clockwise, U dash. That's it. This is the only formula you have to remember in order to solve the top layer of the cube. Now, let's scramble the cube. See, I'm scrambling it off very nicely. Now, in order to solve the top layer of the cube, we have to choose one color and we have to put it in certain direction. Now, I am choosing white color, and my white color that I am choosing should be towards the bottom left to me. See, it's towards the bottom and it is to my left. And the immediate color that is facing me is blue. Now, I have to search where another combination of white and blue block is there, and I have to bring it towards my top layer. Now let me search where that kind of combination is there. White and blue combination. If I move the cube, yeah, it is here. White and blue combination. Now move it and bring it towards my top. See, I'm going to move the top layer of the cube to bring it to the desired direction. See, I have bought. Here is my white and blue cube. Now, if the white is facing towards right, only once we have to apply the formula. Then this white that is on the right will come down and the blue will come parallel to our other blue. R, U, R dash, U dash. That's it. See, now our white came to the bottom part and blue came parallel to the other blue. Now let's turn the cube. Turning this cube is most important. See, now we have white and red block. Let's search where the white and red combination is. See, okay, it's here. The white is facing towards me on the right side. If white is facing towards me, we have to apply the formula 5 times. If white is on top, we have to apply 3 times. Let's start. R, U, R dash, U dash. 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 That's it. See? Both reds are parallel and our whites are below. The cube again. Now we have white and green. Let's search where the white and green combination cube is. See, it is here. The white color is towards our right. So if it is towards our right, we have to apply the formula once. R, U, R dash, U dash. See, now we are done with one part. Green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, red, red, and the bottom part white. Now let's solve the upper layer of the cube.
Now the bottom color is white and the opposite color to white should be yellow. So the upper portion should be yellow now. To complete this yellow, we have to use some tips. Sometimes there will be a single yellow piece on top like how we have now. Sometimes there will be two yellows diagonally. Sometimes yellows would be parallel. And sometimes there may not be a single yellow also. They would be scattered all around the cube. I will show you each possibility separately. And while doing the upper part, the way we hold the cube is very important. Now see, yellow is on the top left and another yellow is facing towards me, means the person who is holding the cube. If it is like this, we have to use the formula once. Please make a note of the formula. It is there in the screen as well. Our yellow will be completed only if the position of the cube is like this. See, one yellow on the top left, one yellow facing towards me. If yellow is in any other direction, we will not be able to solve it. So, I am using this formula only and only if one yellow is on the top left, one yellow facing towards me. Let's apply the formula now. See, the formula is on the screen and we have to apply the formula only once. So our top layer will be full yellows. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. See?
Now our top part is done. In case if
ఇప్పుడు
the
రెండు
yellows are in
yellows ఇలా
parallel
ప్యారలల్గా
direction,
వచ్చినట్లయితే
no
ఈ
matter in
yellowsని
which
ఇంత
direction you
ఎత్తుకు
move the
పట్టుకున్నా
cube,
కూడా
you will not
రాదు.
be able to
ఈ
solve.
yellowsని
They
మనకు
should be
ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్లో
exactly
మాత్రమే
opposite.
పెట్టుకోవాలి.
See, like how you
ఆపోజిట్
see
సైడ్లో
in the screen.
పెట్టుకొని ఎలా చేయాలో
Now we have
చూపిస్తాను.
to apply
సేమ్
the
ఫార్ములాని చేయాలి.
formula. Shall we
ఆర్
start with the
యు
formula?
ఆర్
R,
డాష్
U,
యు
R
ఆర్
dash,
యు
U,
యు
R, U,
ఆర్ డాష్.
U, R
ఇప్పుడు
dash.
చూడండి ఒక్క
See,
ఎల్లో
now
కూడా రాలేదు.
there is no single
అప్పుడు
yellow
నేను
cube
ఎలా
also.
పట్టుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు.
If it is like
మళ్ళీ
that,
సేమ్
we have to
ఫార్ములాని
apply
చేయాలి.
the formula
ఆర్
once
యు
again.
ఆర్ డాష్
R, U,
యు
R dash,
ఆర్
U,
యు
R,
యు
U,
ఆర్ డాష్.
U, R dash.
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి
See, now
ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ
our desired
టాప్ లోకి
position
ఎల్లో
has come.
వచ్చింది,
One
మన
yellow
ఫ్రంట్
on
సైడ్
the
అప్ ఎల్లో
left and
వచ్చింది.
one yellow
ఇలా
facing
వచ్చింది
towards me.
అంటే
Now
మన
we
ఎల్లో
have
పార్ట్
to apply the
అయిపోతుంది.
formula once. If we
ఆర్
apply once,
యు
we will be
ఆర్
getting
డాష్
the
యు
answer.
ఆర్ యు
See,
యు
I am
ఆర్
applying the
డాష్.
same formula
చూడండి
once.
ఎల్లో పార్ట్
Done.
అయిపోయింది. కొన్నిసార్లు
Sometimes there will
సింగిల్
be
ఎల్లో
a
ఉన్నప్పుడు
single yellow block,
ఎల్లో అయితే సింగిల్గా
but
ఉంటుంది కానీ
there
మనకు
is no
ఫ్రంట్
other
సైడ్ ఎల్లో
yellow here.
ఉండదు.
See, there is a
అట్లాంటి
green facing
కేసులో
towards
సింగిల్
me.
టైం చేస్తే
If
రాదు.
such kind
అందుకని
of
ఏ
situation
మాత్రం
comes,
కన్ఫ్యూజ్
we
అవ్వకండి.
have to
క్యూబ్
apply the
ఉన్నప్పుడు
formula
ఈ
again.
ఎల్లో పార్ట్ని
However,
మనకు రైట్
you
సైడ్
have to make
పెట్టుకొని
sure that you are holding
సేమ్
the cube
ఫార్ములాని
in
మళ్ళీ
such a way
చేయాలి.
where yellow is towards your left. Now apply the same formula. R U R dash U R U U R dash. See, now the cube has come to the desired position like how we want. One yellow on top, one yellow facing towards me. Now we have to apply the formula once so that the yellow part will be completed. R U R dash U R U U R dash. That's it. See, the cube is done. Until now, I showed you how to finish the yellow part no matter where their position is. But I would like to give you one tip here. Whenever you're solving the yellow part, you must remember that one yellow should be facing towards you and one yellow should be on the top. Only then the cube will be solved. Sometimes you might have to do it two times also. Now, let's start solving the entire cube with a small formula. Okay, shall we learn two new letters for this new formula? Okay, if you move the front side of the cube to clockwise direction, it's F. If you move to anti-clockwise direction, it is F dash. And if you move the back side of the cube to left, it's B. That's it. Now, shall we see the formula once? And with this, our entire cube will be solved. Easy, isn't it? Okay, let's see the formula once. It is R dash F, R dash B, B, R, F dash, R dash, B, B, R, R. That's it. See, now our cube is almost done. Just flip the cube and match the colors. Sometimes you might not get the cube solved if you do the formula once. You may need to do it two times. If you do the same formula two times, the cube will be solved. And in some situations, one color may come solved. In that case, you have to keep the solved color towards the back and solve it. That's it. See how easy solving 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube is? Anyone can solve it just by following this video. If you have any doubts, we can chat in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.